Hi, today guys, I'm going to be trying to shoot this bottle with nerf guns, right? I'm only using 2 nerf guns. I do have more, it's just, I'm just going to use the 2 main nerf guns that I use. Right, set the camera up here, and then let's get started. Alright, first shot. Missed that one. Second shot. Missed that one too. The wind is crazy here. That one was quite close. I'm going to do 2 more, and we're going to move on to the next one. God damn, this gun is terrible. Oh, that's the closest one. Alright, now it's in the assault rifle. Now I'm going to move on to a pistol. I think this one shoots harder actually. Oh, that was close. That one was close too. It's definitely better than the rifle. Oh, that one hit the phone. That one's quite bad. Oh yes, I hit it. Alright, I'm gonna set it up. I've got one more bullet, right? If I hit this time too, it's gonna be crazy. Alright, let's go again. One more time. Last shot, come on. Ah, that was way too far. Anyway, I hit it once, that's alright. There's where the other bullets went, there's like quite a bit around here. And then the other just went all the way over there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye, skeletons.